guys, it's Treehouse ASMR here. Welcome up into the treehouse. And in today's video, we will be continuing opening up some of the evolving skies I picked up at the restock number 2 at my local Target. So we have a Jolteon Tin to get into and 5 more Evolving Skies individual booster pack hangers right here. I'm feeling really lucky. Right when I sat down in this chair and got to recording, I leaned over, called my girlfriend, and I was like, I have a really weird feeling right now that we're gonna pull something good in this video, so let's go, guys. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button. If you're not already subscribed, join our community up in the treehouse. We have a blast. We open up Pokemon cards almost daily. So join the community, guys. I post NFL football content, fantasy football content, and a lot of Pokemon card opening, relaxing ASMR videos. Oh, I'm so excited for this, guys. This is going to be so fun. So, what's up, everybody? How are you guys doing today? How was your guys' days? I know the weather is changing. It's getting a little bit colder out. September, we're about halfway through September right now. That's so crazy. Time is flying. Summer went by so fast. That was just like a blink of an eye. I can't believe it. We're gonna have Halloween stuff soon. The Pokemon Celebrations 25th anniversary set coming out soon. Man, I'm so excited for fall. This is gonna be so fun, guys. So, I'm just gonna put the microphone over here. Hopefully it's not too loud. There we go. So, let's go, guys. I am very excited to get cracking into these. I must have misplaced my scissors. I knew it. I always forget, like, one thing when I go to record, and I guess it was the scissors. I think we can get into this without using scissors. You think so, guys? I think so. So, if you like tapping and crinkling sounds, this is going to be a good video for you. Let's get ripping into this Jolteon V tin. I hope this Jolteon promo card in the front, that it's a Black Star promo. I hope it's in good condition. So, I don't think I read what was on the back of the tin before in the other video, so I'm gonna read it out loud for you guys. So, just sit back and relax, guys. This is going to be a relaxing ASMR Pokemon card opening video. A tin for the eons. Take the next step up in your game with Eevee's original evolutions. Pick the rapid draw power of the water type Vaporeon V, the electrifying energy of the lightning type Jolteon V, or the focused flames of the fire type Flareon V. In the Pokemon TCG EV Evolutions tin, each of these colorful tins include a handful of TCG treasures, along with a Pokemon who is ready to prove itself in battle. In this tin, you will find one of 3 foil cards featuring Vaporeon V, Jolteon V, or Flareon V, 4 TCG booster packs, and a code card from the Pokemon trading card game online. Each Pokemon TCG Sword and Shield series and Sun and Moon series booster packs contains 10 cards and 1 basic energy. Each Pokemon TCG XY series booster pack contains 10 cards. Booster packs vary by product. Each player must have a 60-card deck of Pokemon cards to play. Expand your Pokemon trading card game collection with 10 additional game card booster packs. Let's go, guys. So, as you guys, if you guys have already seen, I've opened up a few of these. We haven't really got any great pulls. We did get the Sylveon VMAX in the last video from the one Evolving Skies pack out of this tin. So I was very happy about that, and I'm hoping we can do something similar. Let's get into it, guys. A little bit of damage up here. Everything else looks good. That doesn't look good. So, these cards usually get damaged when the person that works for Pokemon, they slip the card in the corners in these little slips. They always damage it here and here. That's why it's so hard to get a Black Star promo in these types. That's like perfect condition. It's really hard. It's near impossible. It's almost impossible. So this is what it comes on. If you can see the corners, and this is the only way. This is the only way you can get this Jolteon V card from these tins. It's pretty crazy. So this is what I like to do. I like to rip here and pop the card out like this. See, yeah, there's a lot of damage up here and a lot of damage down here. This one is not, everything else is pretty good, honestly, but it's just the corners. I really hope they find a better way to store their promo cards, because they're damaging the cards themselves, and then we're buying it. It seems like counterproductive. We're pretty much just buying damaged goods. It's kind of like ridiculous if you think about it. But that's what makes them so rare. To get a good grade on those. Jolteon V EV Evolutions Tin. So we have the Evolving Skies, Chilling Rain, Battle Styles, and Base Set Sword and Shield. I know that some of you guys like the sounds that the tin lid makes. This makes some really good sounds. I do like that noise. I'm gonna tap on this for a minute, guys. Get ready for some tapping noises. Okay. Which one should we open up first? Let's save the Evolving Skies for last. Chilling Rain or Chilling Pain today, guys. We struggle so hard to get good pulls out of Chilling Rain. One, two, three, four. Energy, Haunter, Doctor, Celio, Ralts, Kissed Form, Snover, and a Galarian Wheezing in the rare. So that was some Chilling Pain, guys. We don't have good luck with Chilling Rain ever. Very rarely do we get good hits out of Chilling Rain. So what should we move on to next? Sword and Shield base set. Battle styles. We could pull the Sleeping Tyranitar. I will literally go nuts if we pull the Sleeping Tyranitar. And the Evolving Skies. Let me just take a sip of my tea real quick, guys. I recently purchased this new tea. It's like Shashanda berry antioxidant or something like that. I like the taste, and it says it's for liver function and sleep. Some ancient Chinese like concoction. It's actually pretty good. It makes my body feel like pretty good. I like it. It's organic. Let's save the best two for last and break into this base set Sword and Shield with the Snorlax. One, two, three, four. Energy, Eldegoss, Rhydon, Potion, Krabby. I do have to give the base set of Sword and Shield a little bit of credit. I really like the artwork they've done with almost every card. It's really nice. It has like a throwback feel. Chinchou, Baltoy, Nickit, Vulpix, and a Thievul with a professor's research. So, if you guys have been keeping up with my videos, you would know that I am looking for more rainbow rares because I have recently traded away almost all of my rainbow rare cards. I do like what I got in return, but I'd also like to kind of replace them and get more back. So we are looking for some rainbow rare pulls. That would be awesome. Let's open this Battle Styles pack. So I think that's 2 green code cards already out of the 4 packs in the tin. I don't really get great luck out of tins. I know that tins don't really have great pulls, but also I pulled a VMAX Sylveon out of the last tin, so let's see. So this card is backwards. So it's green. I don't like how that is sometimes. So that's 3 out of the 4 packs already are green code cards. That's never good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's bring that good luck, guys. On our last pack, we can't get down early. We gotta keep the energy high. We gotta bring that good luck. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Bruno, Golbat, Mustard, Spearow, Remoraid, Fomantis, Mawile, Per Ugly Reverse, and a Primeape in the rare. And for the main event, hopefully, we can get something good out of this. Let's go, guys. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, my chase card for Evolving Skies is the Dragonite Alternate Art. That is one of my favorite alternate art looking cards of all time. It's beautiful. So, please, let's go, guys. Let's get that energy up. Let's get that good luck going. Come on, guys. Let's go. Water energy to start the pack. Pyroar, Fanged Dragon, Ursaring, Wobbuffet, Love Disc, Dwebble, Swablu, Hippopotas. Oh, that looks like the edges are silver, so. Oh, wow! Leafeon V, alternate art, full art. Oh my gosh, this card is beautiful. Look at me sitting in the leaves. Wow. 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 I am so happy. Do we have the whole set? I think I have the whole set of Leafeon. I got the V, full art, alternate art, rainbow. I don't think I have the regular VMAX. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy we just pulled that, guys. Wow. Oh yes, yes, guys. Right when I saw the silver edge, I knew it had to be something good. What is up with us and pulling Leafeon? We are just the Leafeon channel up in the treehouse. That's us right there. You see that big tree in the background? We're up in the treehouse. Leafeon is just hanging out with us. Oh my gosh, look at this, guys. Leafeon and Leafeon VMAX. Wow, that is so cool. That is so cool. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy that we just pulled that out of this tin. 3 green code cards. So, is this a alternate art, or is this just the full art of Leafeon V? I'm pretty sure this is just the full art Leafeon V. That is so sick. That's the alternate art, and this is the full art Leafeon V, is what my brain is telling me. I could be wrong. I think so. Wow. Oh my gosh. I love Leafeon too. He's so cool. Let's go. Oh my god, I'm so happy that just happened. Wow. Let's go, guys. Let's go. So, I want to take a second and look through my cards off to the left. I'm going to shuffle through them and look for the Leafeon Rainbow. I think I have it. I feel like I have it. I might have a little brain fart right now. I don't think I even put it in this. I don't even think I put it into a hard sleeve. That's the problem. Is it in here? All the Black Star promos. All of those were Black Star promos, all at the end. I told you guys, I love collecting these these Black Star promos. They're so cool. Promo, 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 promo. Promo. I could have swore. I could have swore we had it, guys. I could have swore. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Man. Maybe we don't. Maybe I was just thinking what I did. Why did I think that we did have it? Is that really the only Leafeon cards we have? Am I just out of my mind right now? I could have swore. I could have swore, guys, that we had one. Wow. I was just completely wrong, I guess. Let's put these back. We don't even have the regular VMAX, I guess. I thought that we had. I thought that we had the VMAX and the Rainbow, but we don't even have either. Oh my gosh. I really thought we had that, guys. Did I put it into a hard sleeve? It wouldn't be back this far. This is like my old cards. These are from like a month ago. We will not give up, guys. Did we just look through this? Yeah, we did. You think it could be in here? You think it could be in here? These are all Chilling Reign, aren't they? Yeah. Wow. I was just completely wrong. I swear, I could have swore we had it. Interesting. What's in here? We went through this too, didn't we? Yeah. So, I guess those are the only two Leafeon cards we have. That's crazy. I really could have swore that we had it. So, what a freaking pull. Leafeon V full art. Let's go. Evolving Skies individual boosters. I'm not even gonna lie, guys. Surprisingly, we pull some crazy cards out of these. Honestly, I swear by it. Go to your local stores, Target, Walmart, Walgreens, Rite Aid, and pick yourself up a few of these packs. Like, I swear on these, guys. I swear that you're gonna get something good. these, like, the statistics show that, like, it's like a 1 in 50 chance of getting a rainbow, or like it's a blah blah blah. I buy like 5, 6 of these at a time and I'll pull like 2 rainbows. It's crazy. I feel like those stats aren't even true. Let's get into these guys. Wow, this pack feels like super light. I don't know what that's about. What time are we working with, guys? We're at 26 minutes. This is awesome. Time just flies by when we're hanging out up in the treehouse. One, two, three, four. Water Energy, Nuzleaf, Ice Cube, Skip Bloom, Drowsy, Scraggy, Bagon, and a Smeargle. I love that artwork. He's like dragging his paint, his tail. Imagine we pull the Rainbow Rare Leafeon after talking about it. I honestly thought that I had that card. I don't know why I thought I had that card. Maybe I have to go back into my videos and rewatch and see if I actually pulled it, because I could have swore that I had that card. Rayquaza pack. One, two, three, four. Energy, Avalugg, Vigoroth, Glossifleur, Lovedisc, Fletchling, Chinchou, Petalil, and a Shiftry. We got the Evolving Skies Rayquaza artwork hanger. With the Rayquaza pack. Maybe that's a sign. Psychic Energy, Hypno, Fletchender, Lantern, Lotad, Emolga, Woobat, Feebas, Swablu Reverse. This card is beautiful. I'm probably going to put that in a sleeve. I think it's gorgeous. And another Shiftry. That's kind of crazy. 2 Shiftries. I like this card. Swablu has always been one of my favorite Pokemon. Centering could be a little better. Not terrible, though. Let's go, Umbreon. Give us that good luck. If you guys see this code right here, I remember there was this guy telling me, let me get the glue off, right here, SWSH7 sleeved. This code means something. It means like where it was printed. And if you get your packs from different parts of the world, this code will be different, which is pretty cool. Alright guys, let's go. Let's get that Dragonite, please. Come on guys, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Centering looks good on the back, I guess. Looks decent. Hopefully that means something good. Grass, Shelgon, Swoobat, Lombre, Petlil, Dino, Emolga, Woobat, Gourgeist. Oh, we got some type of V. Oh my, what the heck? Another Leafeon. We're just Leafeon. We're living with Leafeon, guys, up in the treehouse. This is crazy. We just get all Leafeon hits. What the heck? We got Leafeon V, Full Art Leafeon V, Alternate Art Leafeon V Max. We need the Rainbow Rare, and we need the regular V Max. Oh my gosh. That's so wild. That is so weird. Why is this happening? We got all three. Well, not all three, but like we have three. Leafeon V, Leafeon Full Art V, Leafeon V Max Alternate Art. That is so weird. That is so freaking weird. I am weirded out right now. Like, what are the odds? There's a ton of rare hits you can have, and we hit all three on the same exact Pokemon. What? That doesn't even make sense. It's so crazy. And the last pack of the video, guys. Last pack magic. Let's go. Rayquaza. Pikachu. Maybe that's a good sign. Should we look at the color of the code card? Yeah, screw it, right? Green. Dang. Let's go. Pikachu, Applin, Lillipup, Emolga, Tentacool, Psyduck, and Thievul. Fire, Zweilous, Skiploom, and Rahan. That's funny. We ended the note on a green code card, but all is good because we pulled a Full Art Leafeon V. What a crazy pull. We're just keeping the Leafeon theme going. That's awesome. I'm so happy we did that, guys. So, I'll be ending the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me up in the treehouse. Tonight, if any of you are my Pokemon/football viewer fans, tonight we have the Washington football team versus the New York Giants. Should be a fun game. I'm excited to watch that. So happy that football's back. And I'll be ending the video here, guys. So as always, take it easy, guys. Take care. Have a good day. Have a good night. Bye-bye, guys.